Imagine lining up for the world's biggest race, but instead of round tires, your car has giant square blocks for wheels. Do you think you could ever zoom past the finish line first? Today, we're putting geometry to the ultimate test to see why circles are the true kings of the road.
The biggest problem with square wheels is their pointy corners. Every time a square wheel turns, it has to lift the whole car up to get over the corner, making the ride super bumpy. Circles are faster because their center stays at the exact same height, letting them roll smoothly without wasting energy.
Square wheels have big, flat sides that rub against the ground, creating lots of friction that acts like a hidden brake. Because a circle only touches the ground at one tiny point, there is less rubbing to slow it down. This makes circles the champions of grip and speed. Wait, can a square wheel ever win? Yes, but only on a very weird road. If the ground is shaped like a series of special humps called catenary curves, the square wheel fits perfectly into the gaps. On this special track, a square-wheeled car can drive just as smoothly as a normal one. So, unless you're racing on a bumpy math road, circles will always win the trophy. They are the perfect shape for moving fast, staying smooth, and beating friction. Next time you see a wheel, remember that you're looking at a geometric masterpiece of speed.